Welcome to History's Hiccups, Part 48. In 510 BC, the wealthy Greek city of Sybaris, known for its opulence, faced war with neighboring Croton in southern Italy. Desperate, the Sybarites appealed to the Crathis river god for protection, promising lavish offerings in exchange for a flood to halt Croton's army. After their victory, however, they broke their vow to the river god. In retribution, the deity reversed the river's flow, flooding and destroying Sybaris. This tale of the Sybaris river curse, blending history and myth, serves as a cautionary story about the consequences of hubris and broken promises, showcasing the beliefs in divine powers and the dramatic rise and fall of ancient cities.